Welcome to Beautify You. I'm Nikki. Today I'm going to talk to you about having routine maintenance done on your car, specifically oil changes and your brakes. With your oil changes, it's recommended that you have your oil changed every 3,000 miles or 6 months. However, more and more they're saying you can get by with having your oil changed every 7,500 miles if you have a newer vehicle. So to find out how often you should have your oil changed for your car specifically, you can either check your owner's manual, or if you don't know where it is or don't have one, you can also go to a website called checkyournumber.org, fill in the year, make, and model of your car, and it will tell you how often you should have your oil changed. Some people try to skip oil changes thinking that it'll save them time and money. However, skipping oil changes will inevitably cause significant damage to your engine in the long run. So please do not do this. Some of my friends like to go to oil change service stations that focus specifically on oil changes. They go to their website, they have coupons on the website, and this helps to save them money, and they like this. However, I will say that some of my other friends don't like going to these places. They don't trust them. They think that they have a tendency to upsell them and rip them off, and the quality of the service isn't as good. So what they recommend is finding a quality mechanic that you trust. This is easier said than done, but ways that you can do this is you can always ask your family and friends which mechanics they go to and trust. You can also go to Yelp and see which mechanics in your area have great reviews and have a good reputation for having quality service at a reasonable price. You can also check other online sources such as online articles and newspapers to see which mechanics they say have good reputation for quality service and reasonable prices. Having your brakes checked. You should check your brakes approximately 2 times a year. You don't necessarily need to have them changed 2 times a year, but it is a good idea to have them checked 2 times a year. This way you know how much of the brake pad is being worn down. Warning signs that it's time to have your brakes changed is if it takes you a long time to stop when pushing the brake pedal, or if you hear a grinding sound when you push the brake pedal. What's happening is eventually the brake pad is worn down. And once it's worn out completely, then the screws on the brake will wear into the rotor, and this will be much more expensive to have replaced and fixed. So the key is to have it checked 2 times a year. This way you know how much of the brake pad is remaining, and you can have it changed before it's too late and it's ruining the rotor and costing you more money. So check your brakes 2 times a year, and also check your owner's manual to see how often you should change your oil, or go to checkyournumber.org. I hope you find these tips useful. They will save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe. As always, I would love to hear your ideas and comments. And remember, we do this because you are beautiful, you are intelligent, and you are worth it. You deserve to drive as stress-free as possible. Have a good day.